The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone had a great night. Ready for a great day. Morning, Mr. G. Morning, Omar. Haven't seen you in a while. Glitch, hello, if you're still here. We're ready for another day in the markets. Yesterday saw us rise up to highs we haven't seen in a while. At least on NQ and I think on ES as well. ES not as far back. NQ hit highs, as actually right now is at highs that we haven't seen since last August. Our low of the day on NQ looks to be 632. Looks like a double bottom at 632. And I think we're at highs right now at 680. Well, right around 683. Only about 50 points in range. ES 4166 for a low, 4183 for a high, about 17 points in range. Hey Robin, hey Matt, hello Jay Cook. I don't recognize your name. If you're new, welcome, glad to have you. If you're not new, welcome, glad to have you either way. Thanks for joining us this morning. Copper overnight, falling. Matter of fact, made a new low since I've moved this line. About 100 ticks of range. Gold, about early morning math, 15 points of range. Everything's kind of made new lows since I moved these lines just like a half hour ago. Over about a point and a half in range on the Ultra Bond. And natural gas just made a new daily high. About 70 ticks of range. Hey, Linux. Apparently Mr. G's been hanging around with I can't remember the movie now. And last but not least, we have crude oil here, about 70 ticks of range. And we have Bitcoin hanging around 27.3. So that's where we sit. Stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take at the moment. And we are ready for another good day on the markets. So NQ is still trying to push up, but you see ES and the Dow have been pushing down. How's it going today, Linux? Glitch, how you been doing? At the airport, where are you going, Glitch? Hey, I'm mad? Business or pleasure, Glitch? Memorial Day is our next holiday. That is on the 29th of May. Hi, man. Europe seems to have a lot of holidays. So that means our volume might be lower. Thank you for that, Iman. Memorial Day on the 29th of May is our next holiday. Memorial Day, the end of May, middle of June is Juneteenth, and July 4th, Independence Day, and Labor Day. Those are our summer holidays. We do have news coming up here. I think we have like a bunch of news today. Bunch of news. Let's take a look. Financial juice load. At 8:30 Eastern, we have U.S. initial jobless claims as usual on a Thursday, but we also have U.S. Philly Fed Business Index. Then at 9:05, we have a Fed speaker. At 9:30, we have a Fed speaker. At 10 o'clock, U.S. existing home sales, as well as another Fed speaker. And then 10:30, natural gas inventories. Pulling back here on NQ. Watching we see them rising up, but Dow and the S&P, Dow and S&P have been falling. Oh wow, apparently this system must be overloaded. So keep that in mind, guys. If you're not seeing your resets on Apex, if you're supposed to get a reset with your renewal, Let them know. They'll fix it. They just might be still inundated from last week's rhythmic issues. But you gotta hand it to Apex, is they do have absolutely awesome customer support. I've personally never had to use them, but um, I haven't heard anybody say they really have had a bad experience with Apex. So yesterday I finished down on the Blue Sky account by $2. Tuesday I finished down on the Blue Sky account by $9. Think I'm gonna shoot for $1 today. Sorry to hear about the loss on gold there, G. Good to hear about the ones in profit. Gold's definitely been falling here in the last few days. You can see overall trend right now is down. Yeah, I could never imagine living in Florida in the summertime. I mean, I really wouldn't want to live in Florida in the wintertime either, but I can't stand heat. I hate the heat. Of course, I have way too much insulation on my body. I wouldn't mind having 30s and 40s year round. I do hate the sun. We're getting down into the low 50s, I think, here. I can withstand. It's not like it's not like I'm gonna burst into flames if I go out in the sun. I think it's gonna be good economic numbers, which will probably send the market down. Gee. We're supposed to get back up in the 80s next week. As long as there's air conditioning, I don't mind the heat. My ultimate goal, if I ever get, like wealthy, is to live someplace in a cold environment. There's only so many layers you can take off, G, and nobody wants to see me naked. Oh, God, no. Well, now NQ's trying to push down, trying to catch up. Looking for love in all the wrong places. Oil popped up in the last 5-minute candle there. Agriculture's been coming down. There's a nice move down. By points, I mean, I guess, nothing to write home about. Hey, John. Happy jobless claims to you as well. See the countdown in the bottom corner there. Huh. See, my playback has defaulted to 144p. Let's get that right. It looks horrible. There we go. So if for some reason the stream looks really horrible, make sure it didn't default to a lower setting. So yeah, see, we're starting to push down here. Yes, and Dow gave a nice little signal there. We really didn't get that on NQ, unfortunately. Excuse me a minute. Uh, Gee, he said he was going to for Tampa. Ooh, gold buys is not a good thing right now, John. $96 ain't bad. Less than 10 minutes till news. He didn't answer why he was going there, G. I assume visiting? You gonna put out the welcome wagon for him, G? Well, still waiting on our first trade. It's probably better to wait. My stats in the first half hour of the stream are horrible, so some G's, good idea. So what are we gonna see here at jobless claims? It will give us some movement otherwise. Unfortunately, I didn't get a signal for this move down. I wish I had. It's interesting that, global demand hit a record high, but that, oil didn't really boost up much. Kind of goes against that whole law of supply and demand. True. Mr. G, what do you think happens with oil if the debt limit thing doesn't get fixed? Continuing to watch, looking for entries, but we're staying flat until after the news now. Little bounce here on NQ, all the indices really. Pound's been getting pounded down. So has the euro. Oops. We're just watching. We'll wait until after this news. Remember, we're kind of littered with Fed speakers today. So far this week, there's been a bunch of Fed speakers, and no one's really moved the market. Do have Powell speaking tomorrow, 11 Eastern. It does. Natural gas and this natural gas. Let's go to a 5-minute chart. Nice little blue candle there. That'd been excellent to take. Blue candle back here before I was trading. Also would have worked. Just a little dip and back up. We are less than 30 seconds till news. Down. Ah. I'm not sure why. My trading view is like really. Ah. There we go. There we go. Now it was like freezing up on me. Downly column. Let's look at the numbers, shall we? Numbers. Jobless claims. Actual 242K. Forecast was 252K. So that's a beat. U.S. Philly Fed Business Index, negative 10.4. Forecast was negative 20. So that's also a beat. Came down to its 100 EMA and bounced. Gold's crashing. Yep, new daily low in gold. Down 4 in the last minute. It's positive. It's positive economic news. So it means the market probably doesn't like it because that means interest rates aren't going anywhere. Yep, you see the market heading down now. This candle, 12th. ES candle down 2. Dow candle down 10. That's what the 1-minute chart looks like. That's kind of ugly. Whoa, Ultra Bond new daily low. It doesn't like it. Gold still coming down. Guys, you guys see a blank screen for a minute? I totally forgot about it. I'll have to load it on. I was using it, but I don't think it's saved at some point in time, and I don't have it on there now. Guys, I'm gonna restart TradingView here, so you're gonna see a blank screen for a minute. It is really laggy for me. I'm not sure why. Why is yours not working, Matt? I see NQ still coming down here, though you don't see it until I get this back running again. Let's see here. Oops, what did I just do? Oh. Boop, 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 boop. Give me a minute while my streaming software tries to locate it. Come on. I hate this. Give me a minute, guys. Sorry. Technical difficulties. There we go. I'll get it loaded on there and see if it's working for me, Matt. Okay, so now our charts are back. Let's see if that fixes my lag problem on TradingView. So that 5-minute candle went down 16 and a quarter. ES went down three and three quarters. Trying to pop back up here. Say oil's dropping. Yeah, oil's dropping. Natural gas rising up. Trying to bounce here. Oh yeah. So next news. Sorry, I didn't change that. We have a Fed speaker in a little under half an hour. Let me go to my Ninja chart. Let's see here. Indicators. There we go. Okay, find it in my indicators that I know I have it installed. And NQ's getting pushed back down. So it's our low of the day. Low of the day 32, so we're sitting about 20 points above it. See ES coming down pretty sharply there. Those bands off. NQ, we were at highs that we have not seen since last August. Curious to see how far, if we rebound, make new highs again today. Right now, we're coming down pretty harsh. Down to 650. Yes, excuse me, down to 4172. Dow at 33,446. Can you come down? Broke 650 there. Let's see if it holds. Hey, Twan, how you doing, man? Long time no see. How's everything going for you? Possible bouncy bounce here. Daddy Dee awesome. And thank you for the kind words. Not exactly big money, but it's a free eval. I appreciate that, Swan, and you're right. Huh. I'm glad it's working for you, Matt. New candle here, sitting under that 100 EMA. Dow still falling. Yes, still falling. I'm not afraid of falling because I can't get off the ground. Trying to push up above that 100. Watching the 5 and the 1. Doesn't seem to want to go up much further right now. Back below that 100. Trying to go red on this 5-minute candle. Anybody else out there taking any trades yet this morning? How we doing? News wasn't much of a catalyst for the indices. Alright, coming back down. Coming back down. Sending me a short signal. Short. Do I have any S chart on here? I do not. Hey, Borneo, how's it going? Nice to see you. And Q sending me a purple candle as well. Or trying to. We're filled but late on that. My fault. See what happens here. I was stopped out. I took it on regular NQ instead of MNQ. It's the stop on it. Wow, that's a big stop too. Well, to the victors go the spoils. That's not what I want to do. Yep. Thinking Friday. So how late did I get in on that? I'm in at 49, and this candle got about 2 points late. But I wouldn't mind if that sell-off started right now. I'll just see a nice breakdown here. So far, it's not giving me what I want. Can't always get what you want. Can it break below 644? Almost 9 o'clock on the East Coast, 8 o'clock my time. Pulling back now. Ace should be rolling in here soon. Dow is making a nice move down. Should have went with the Dow. Pulling back up to my entry. Was hoping we'd get down the low a day, but it doesn't seem to want to go. Low a day, 32, no 31. Another try down. 5 minutes to the top of the hour. There we go. Back down to 44. That last candle got down to 42 half. All right, Crypticon. Hope you feel better soon. Are you going to a doctor, Crypt? There's a break down to 640. There's a break of 640 down to 639. Struggling at 640. Looking for a hit low a day. We're going to put the target at exact low a day, 31 half. Hey, Ace. Thank you. 40 seems to be, oh, there it goes. Come on. Uh, 640 seems to be its resistance or support, whatever. Yep, there's 38. Top of the hour. Seven. Yep, not breaking through. I'm gonna close that trade. I think we're likely to pop up here. Um, so we ended up about 9 points on that trade. So I'm happy with that. And honestly, I'm at when you told me about those EMAs is kind of what made me decide to get out there. The other thing is, I try not to look at this, but I see on my RSI with linear regression bands this big pool here forming. So watching for that reversal. I'm glad I got out there. As you can see, it's climbing right back up. And that's what I'm trying to do better. I used to get out because of fear. I would jump out of trades early because of fear. But I do think there is obviously reasons to get out of a trade that's based on technicals. And it's finding that balance, not getting out just because I'm afraid of it reversing for no good reason. But if there's a reason that, you see it's struggling at a level and there's a good reason it's struggling, etc. Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. What I'm saying is I used to do is, it used to be fear. Awesome, I'm Matt. Glad to hear that. We have a Fed speaker in a minute. Yeah. I've gone away from the actual Bollinger Bands for the most part. I still use them as a guide for certain things, but the actual bands themselves I don't look at too much. But they can be a good reversal area if you look at the third and higher. Yeah. You saw it. I mean, we came through the 100 on the 5 minute. And, you know, I like that this purple candle that I entered on kind of retested it and failed. It gave me more confidence. Now you see looks like it wants to continue coming down. Oh, look at the Dow just completely red all the way down. It sent a signal over a half an hour ago and it's fallen a bunch. Like 100 points since then. Sending another purple candle here. We are getting to the point that I'm feeling a little bit antsy about being overextended to the downside. Now, if I had held, we would have hit. Well, it didn't hit my target yet. My target was low a day, so 631. We just hit 632 and 3/4. All right, glitch. Have safe travels. There's new low a day, so it would have hit my target. Kind of sucks, but you know. I could have got another 9 points out of it. Right now, it seems to be double bottoming on low a day. See if it can break through. Break on through to the other side. One nice win today, though, so far. I'm happy. If you're happy and you know it, close your trade. If you're happy and you know it, close your trade. Yep. So bounced on low a day. I like double bottoms and I cannot lie. These other traders can't deny. That for surely didn't sound like your kindergartners there, Robin. Or at least I hope they're not singing Baby Got Back. So it looks like we want to head back up. Did not get any engulfing candle, of course, for my trigger. But I see this down here, and I bet you we're going to get back up to the 20. We'll watch it. I'm not going to enter the trade, but we'll watch it. Reminder, folks, that those 80% sales of both Apex and MightyOx are still going on till the end of the month, at least. And they'll stop for 2 days and start again. But anyway, if I digress, pick up some evals, get yourself a trade copier. Or, if you prefer, Blue Sky, 25% off. And with Blue Sky, you can get paid from day one after passing evaluation and getting above that safety threshold. And there's no fees once you get funded. No setup fees or whatever. And yep, I do appreciate when y'all hit the like button. We have about 18 minutes until the bell. 1 for 1 on trades this morning. I'm at. They now have a live sim. You can go to the live sim until you reach the profit target, and then what they do is they transfer that money to your live account. And if I understood Josh right when he and I talked about it, you don't have to pay the data fees until you ask for your first payout. So basically, your data fees can be covered by that first payout. And yeah, the data fees would then be monthly. Those fees are charged by the CME. They don't make any money on those fees. CME says you're a professional trader and you got to pay us. $105 per exchange. And remember, if you trade oil, gold, and NQ, that's 3 different exchanges. There's a total of 4. Not including ICE. ICE is more expensive. If you want to trade all 4, yes. That's why most people stick to just one exchange, at least at first. Yeah. Well, I mean, if you go with CBOT, you can trade the Dow, you can trade the Treasuries, and you can trade agriculture. If you go with CME, then you can trade uh, the indices, and you can trade um, for the currencies. NYMEX is just the energies, and COMEX is just the metals. Hey Sid, how's it going? Doing good. Well, and I mean, I'm at the thing is, anyone that puts you on a live account is going to be charging you data fees. Well, I take that back. OneUp does not charge data fees. I don't know how they do that, but OneUp does not charge any data fees. Everybody else that once you go on a live account, you're getting charged data fees. Even Apex, if you end up being a good enough trader, they're going to put you on a live account and you're going to be responsible for data fees. Same with Bolonox, same with ETF. It's just they have a live sim first, and you can make a lot of money on their sims before you ever get to that point. But Earn a Trade, Top Step, Blue Sky, etc. Data fees. I'm not sure what UProfit does either. But yeah, yeah, it is. Uh, Bo- uh, yeah, but even Bolonox says they'll put you on a live account eventually if you're good enough. That's what happened to the founder of Apex, Ahmed. That's why he started Apex Trader Funding, Daryl Martin. They paid him out, and then they told him that he needed to go. Once you reach a certain amount on Lilu, they because they never put anybody on a live account. They say they copy trade people, but obviously, if you're not copy trading Daryl Martin, who are you going to copy trade? They got to be kicking themselves for that one, really. Yeah, that's why I mean I'm not, Lilu they pay and there's no problems with them, but I always felt they were like the most gimmicky of all the companies. They rank toward the bottom of my favorite prop firms. Yeah, because they never put anyone on live account, so there's 10% is nothing if they're not copy trading them. They keep everybody on a sim even when funded, so they're not making any money. Why am I looking at copper? There we go. And here, what did I say? I said we're going to come back up to the 20 EMA, and we did. This was a great reversal candle. No engulfing. There was no engulfing involved, but it came right up. Oh yeah, I forgot there was a Fed speaker speaking. U.S. existing home sales at the top of the hour. Oh, maybe that was why we saw that move down. I read that right. I didn't take the trade, but I read it right. Oh, gee, did I tell you? That train that derailed in Ohio a couple months back? The day before, it was in the city I live in, Decatur. And it had to stop for some reason just a few miles from here to check on something before it rumbled on. Hey, Andrew, haven't seen you in a while. How you doing? Yeah, there's a big rail yard here in Decatur, so it had come through here and stopped for the day before. But I mean, those tracks run through all the little small towns around here, so it could have happened around here. I'm doing all right. I like to eat bacon, so it's the only connection I know of. I haven't really watched many of his movies. Probably Footloose, I guess. Bouncing off the 20. So we got one good trade this morning so far. We'll see what we get after the bell. Flat until then. I don't, I really don't watch any TV. I haven't really watched TV much since, I'm not even sure when. Uh, I watch baseball. That's about it. I'll watch TV around the holidays. I'll watch Christmas stuff, but that's about. That's kind of. So what's gonna happen to the at the bell? Not to the bell. The bell's gonna be rang. That's what's gonna happen to it. But at the bell, we shall see. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Popping up. So we got a little less than 90 seconds. Places, everybody. Twenty seconds. Ding 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 ding. And we start with a rise up 9 points. Pulling right back. And up 10 points. ESC, half a point. Not explosive at any, at least not yet. Dow's coming down. So is ES. So ES and Dow are red. And Q is green. This has been happening a lot lately. They can't agree with one another. Gold, wow, gold really fell. Ultra Bond made a new low. Copper made, wow, copper really fell too. Everything was falling this morning. Crude oil bounced, but coming down now, and there's natural gas also floating down. Meanwhile, NQ and ES and Dow are kind of confused right now. They don't know where they want to go. They don't know what they want to do in their lives. But they're starting to get a rise. About 17 points, but we're still red on the other two. Up 22 points now. We're seeing a rise up 25 points. Boom, shakalaka, but nothing. I mean, the Dow is down 7, and ES is a doji. So the only thing really moving here is the NQ. What's the Russell doing? Russell's moving down. Russell's showing the most weakness. NQ the most strength. Dow and ES don't really care right now. But look at this strong move on NQ. Trying to get to new high day. High day was 683. It's 5 points away. Yep, that was a new high day. Bounced back down from it, but 686. I do a pound watch every time I step on a scale. Yep, there we go. Back up to 86. The new high day, which is also new higher year. Go to a daily chart here. Ignore all the drawings. See. Wow. So 740 is that high from last August. If we break 740, then we'll be at a high we have not seen since April of 2021. Holy wow beans. I have no idea what holy wow beans means. It's a beautiful move up here on the NQ. You see, it actually gave us a little trigger candle down here right before the bell. A minute before the bell. $692.5. New high. I don't know. The ES and the Dow are chopping. The NQ is not chopping. NQ is just heading wildly up. There's 13,700. ES and Dow now showing some upward momentum as well. Do have news coming up in 20 minutes. U.S. existing home sales and a Fed speaker. Fed speakers really haven't done much this week, though. They haven't really said anything that's caused the market to really get shaken out. Obviously. So this opening candle, or I shouldn't say opening candle, but since the open, we're up 52 points. So then Q. New candle pulls back some. Back under 12,700 for now. For the second. Excuse me 1 second. About that, I am back. Apologize. Wow, I see my viewership go down when I go silent. Wow. I was away for 1 minute, guys, and 5 people left. Do you really think I wasn't going to come back? I guess asking the people that left if doesn't really make sense, does it? Wow, seriously, I went from 24 down to 18. So 13,712 was their high. Yeah, it's back up to 20 now. Hey, Burl. That's because Burl came in. So we've hit that third band and pulled back down some, back under 13,700. Hey, Leonardo. The last time we've been this high was August of last year. If we break 740, then we go all the way back to April of last year. Oh, a really beautiful 15-minute candle. Now ES is not. ES hit a much higher high than just recently. Back on May 1st, it got up to 41.96. It looks like. So ES is not at a high of the year like NQ is. Well, we're getting a blue candle, kinda. See if it holds. Will it take us higher? No, does not hold. It's still trying. Still got 3 minutes on it. Good luck on that, iMad. I'm gonna go to MNQ on this. If it holds on this blue candle, 3 MNQs. There, it's going away. It's gonna be one of those that it's gonna decide at the last minute what it wants to do. I hate wishy-washy candles. But I've turned entry bot on. Oh, went away here. Wow, went away with like 15 seconds to go. Look at that. And it ended up red. That candle was green for like all but the last 10 seconds. back under 13,700. ES, Dow also showing red candles. It's trying again, though. Trying again. Ooh, a little bit of swirling there. I'm not sure why. Yeah, that could happen if the whole debt ceiling thing don't work out. Burl. ES is actually sending a short signal here, based on my strat. So is the Dow. Now we're kind of choppy. NQ giving me wicks on both sides. Dow flirting with giving me signals. ES flirting with giving me signals. Ultra bond just continuing to flop down. Crude oil. Ooh, that looks kind of ugly too. New daily lows. I didn't check agriculture. Ooh, agriculture is looking positive. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that beautiful blue candle. That would have been awesome to catch on soybean oil or on corn. I always forget about... So I think I'm going to take this short on the Dow. If this holds. Flirting. It's coming and going there. I almost took it with 3 contracts. That would have been a mistake. So we're in on the Dow. Why can't I move the frickin' stop? Come on. Seriously. Won't let me move the stop? Will it let me move the target? Yeah, the target's moving. Why won't the stop move? There it goes. Now let's draw it. Okay, let's see if we continue to come down. Let's bring up our Dow chart here. What was our low on that candle there? 38. No, that doesn't look right. 38? Okay, my target's 18. Have we been there? No, that'll be low a day. We'll see whether or not we can make a new low a day on the Dow. Trying to push up a little bit. Oh yeah, thank you. I have a news countdown. Totally forgot about the news again. And a Fed speaker coming up. Thank you for that reminder trade together. So we might get out of this trade before that news. I don't know. I've traded just about everything, Leonardo. I've traded everything from agriculture to indices to gold to oil. And there's NQ taking off again. I've even traded lean hogs. And yeah, no problems. So we're getting a bounce here. So this candle got down to 33,350. Oh, with this setup strategy? Yeah, I've traded agriculture with it. It works. I traded indices. I'm trading, the Dow right now, as a matter of fact. But yeah, it works on other stuff, on others too. The only thing that I noticing it really wasn't working well on was natural gas. Injustice and back testing, for some reason natural gas doesn't seem to respond to it. But yeah, it can work on the other assets as well. Nice job, I Mad. Minute to go till news. And the Fed speaker. We're gonna closed out that trade before news. 1 point on it, so that was a $5 winner. Woohoo! $4 in commission, which means it was a net $1 trade. And news didn't really rock our stocks, which I had a feeling that was going to be true. U.S. existing home sales 4.28 million. Forecast was 4.3 million. Small miss. I wouldn't have needed to close that trade, but after slippage that I got 2 days ago on the news thing, it was better safe than sorry. And Q, trying to push down here now. So we reached our high. That is the question. The hard-hitting questions we ask every day here on MightyOxTrading. About an hour to go here on the stream. Nice to find another trade. If not, though, I mean, technically we're 2 for 2. I'm not really going to count that last trade, though, as a win. But I'll be happy with the way the day if it ends this way. Kind of getting choppy. What we got going on elsewhere. Copper's been falling. Crude falling. Natural gas falling. Ultra bond bouncing. Gold kind of sideways. Which way does it want to go? Does it want to try and get up to that 740? Ooh, there's a blue candle. Got 4 minutes on it, though. 4 minutes. 4. Yes, sending a long signal. There we go. So pushing up again. How high will we go? Dow popping up. Dow's also pushing up there. And Q up to 729. There's 732. Big move here. So we consolidated just a bit. And now, boom. Boom, shaka, laka, boom, shaka. I don't know why you people listen to me. 734. So NQ is definitely the strongest right now. Strong like bull, as Mr. G would say. Pulling back. Still trying to push up. It's a 20-point candle. Which means if I enter on this, heading toward 25, I'll need like a 50-point target, and I just don't think we're going to go another 50 points. Based on my strat, that's what my target would be. And I don't know where to put a target at otherwise because, like I said, 740 is where we hit last August. And then after that, it's like... So instead, I don't think I'm going to enter this off this blue candle. We'll see if that's a mistake. We'll see if we go another 50 points. We'll mark it off even. That was also sending a blue candle. I could take that one. Excuse my coughing. So we'll see what happens here. Let's see. We'll mark this off to see what it would have done. And I'll cry if it actually does go another 50 points. And you can listen to me cry. Uncharted waters, in my opinion, though. I would need 200 ticks. That's 25 points? No, that's... Yeah. That is... Oh, yeah, it would be exactly 50 points. So, there we go. That means my target would have been 13,781. This would have been an excellent take on the 1 minute chart, though, right there. As it recrossed that 20 and up. ES getting close to its daily high. Globex high, 41.83. We're at 41.77. NQ just passed that 13.740 mark. So this the high today is the highest thing we've seen since April of last year. If it got to 742, not going much further right now. Pulling back a bit. Back down to 733. But this really hasn't gone much of anywhere. Yes, got above its 100 EMA there on the 5. Got up to 41.78 quarter. But definitely, right now it's not showing much oomph. Short signal firing on ES. And on the Dow. You can see that looks like a reversal candle there on the NQ. Look at the Dow here. We'll see if this breaks back below that 20. Watching all three like a hawk. Oh, not really. I don't think hawks watch stock charts. Or futures charts. Trading charts. How about that? Trading charts. Yep. Now we're showing green again. Oh, home. Gold's doing? Gold just flatlined here for like the last 20 minutes. Ultra bond? Ooh, that was a nice little signal there. Russell's heading up nicely there, you see? Look at this strong candle move, strong move up. Snip, pulling back down again. So definitely finding some, resistance here. I'm sure there's lots of traders thinking it's going to reverse in this area, so they might be pursuing some selling pressure. And the buyers keep trying to come in and take that away. Don't take it away. Dow back up to 33,437 ES, up to 41.79. Break of 45 on NQ. And there's 13,749. Not hit 750. If anyone's trading natural gas, remember you have inventories coming up in 10 minutes. Good luck, Imad. ES trying to break its high of day now, 41.8375. It's chugging along. There, it just touched it. And there's the break. I'm silent. You're not hearing me? Hello? Oops. Okay. Can you hear me now? This is up 31 points. I said I didn't think it had 50 in it, man. It looks like I might have been wrong. I should have followed my strat. Okay, cool. I was worried when G said is silent, so. Look at this rumble up. How you doing today, patient? Get a bunch of this move? Nice, nice. I got a nice 9-point win earlier on NQ. And I got a 1-point win on the Dow. It's interesting this rally's going after, the Fed speaker earlier said that, he felt like we still need more, raising the interest rates higher. And I thought that was going to actually send us down, but market is just going nuts. So we're hesitating around 763. I think, isn't that what IMAT just said is a... 762 is what he said, and that's where we're kind of hanging out here. Another great call by IMAT. Tries to break. We see 764, 765. ES up to 4186. Yeah, I agree with that, G. Just kind of watching. Definitely finding resistance here around the 762 area that I mentioned. 65. Hesitating here. Can it continue up? You see red candles here on the Dow and the ES. Up here we go. So this is totally, you know, totally spanking me here. I could be up 40 points if I had taken this trade. Actually, I would have had to already cut out because of the consistency rule. So, I marked that as 50. I really only needed, because I had that trade earlier, I would have only needed 35. So I would be at my profit target and at consistency level for the day if I had taken that. So that is another thing I need to work on with myself. It's not that I was afraid to take the trade, but I convinced myself on trends that we're overextended. And then the trend keeps going. And I do this a lot. Now, what I used to do is I used to think we're overextended and look for reversals. And then I'll get in trades and get myself in trouble. At least I don't do that anymore. But I still talk myself out of trades because I don't think we're going to go another X amount of points. Well, guess what? We've gone 40. Now, like I said, if I didn't have a consistency rule, my target would be 50. I have been 50 points on this, and it might still get there. It's at 45, 46 now, 47. But so I got to stop that. I got to just take the trade, because when I go back through my back testing, I never look at, I think this was overextended here, and not take the trade. I just back test it and mark it off. And there we go. Look at that. Just hit. We're up to 786. It would have given me 50 points if I had won at 50 points. That's just, I just didn't think it was going to do that. But I need to stop thinking and just do what the strat tells me to do. Natural gas inventories just hit. Oh, wow. Look at that candle on natural gas. Holy. That went 110 ticks up. It's pulling back now, but wow. It's the biggest move we've seen on natural gas in a long time. You might have to hit your live buttons, guys. I noticed we just had a little bit of a disconnect. I'm not sure why. We had a little blip there. So hit your live buttons to get back to the live broadcast. Oh, high here, 791. Yeah. Gold still is flatlined. It did make a new low a day, but it's flatlined. Ultra runs kind of sideways now. Copper bounced. And crude oil is getting some upward momentum, but wow, look at that natural gas candle. Have a great day, IMAD. Take you must have caught a good runner there. Are we going to see 13,800? So, a little bit of a pullback here. Is this just another blip on the way up higher, or is this our 1030 reversal? These are the questions we ask. About 25 minutes left on the stream today. Good luck on that, G. So I'm not getting anything here for me to enter. I could start looking at other assets, but the one issue of this strat is they're really, trending. It doesn't give much entries when you're in a big old trend. When you're in a big old trend, let's see at the 1 minute. The 1 minute here. See the pullback there on the one. So while we wait, I'm doing some work. It's trying to push back up. Nice, G. Still in that trade, I assume? Oops. Let's try to pull back again here. There's the euro. Down to 107.915. Wow, looks like it's been a while since it's been this low. Looks like March 24th. Pound also been getting pounded. The yen's down. My cat's deciding to say hello. How's everyone else done today? How many of you caught some of this trending market? Nice. We see the NQ pullback here. We got up to a high of 791, 791 half. Now we're down to 776, so about a 15-point pullback. Right, G? Great day for you. Good to see it. See you tomorrow. Have fun at the gym. Exercise for me, too. That's a stronger move down now. This is 18, 19, 20-point candle. Interesting. I just looked at the micro chart, and this, I totally missed the fact that it sent us another bullish candle, bullish engulfing candle right there. Let me move that out of the way. Right there, that I could have took for a smaller amount of target and stop loss that would have worked. That would have been perfect. Totally missed that. See the market moving down now. What goes up must come down. That's not always true. Just trying to bounce again. 70 seems to be a fight area here. And the Bulls are winning. So profit P&L in the day 120. So far it's a green week. See if we can change that tomorrow. And right back up. Wow, look at that. That was a beautiful blue. That was a one beautiful move on the 1 minute. Into that blue area down there. Nice big blue candle. Good. And back down here on this next candle. Remember, tomorrow, Powell speaks at 11 a.m. That's always fun and exciting. Gold continuing to grind down, new daily low again. Silver doing the same. Mr. G should have held longer. Euro's still heading down, pound still heading down, yen still heading down. Trying to fight back up again. Just trying to push up. Tried to give me a little golfing candle there. Yes, well, now they're both sending me engulfing candles. Small engulfing candles, but engulfing candles nonetheless. Tomorrow we might go a little extra, because since Pal's scheduled to speak, like when the stream normally ends, we'll probably go a little longer tomorrow, just to see if Pal does anything that causes massive freakouts in the market. So, great trending day again. Will we see it come down in the afternoon? Will we see it come down tomorrow? Or are we just going to continue to go to all-time highs? Kidding. We're still well away off all-time highs. Yeah, this market. Just wants to keep going up and up and up. Folks, that's what we're going to call it for today. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. We ended up about 120 bucks, which is better than what we've done the last couple of days, which was -2 and -9. We're green for the week. We'll try and finish green for the week tomorrow. We shall talk to everybody then. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.